Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Fenjidrop 5-ton hydraulic heat press machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include: multifunctional hydraulic heat press machine to meet different use. Rosin press machine can be used for bonding, extracting vegetable oils, stamping patterns on clothes or bags, etc. It can be applied to the high temperature resistant material with a thickness of 0.39 to 0.78 inch. The heat press technology changes our lives and brings us a lot of convenience and business opportunities. Our hydraulic heat press machine is made of high-quality materials and fine craftsmanship to ensure its excellent performance. Selected materials: Rosin press adopts plastic sprayed iron shell and polished solid aluminum heating plate, thickness 0.19 inches, to make this product more rugged and durable, with good long-term performance. High efficiency. The heat press machine adopts 2 heating plates, the power is up to 900 watt, the maximum pressure is 5 tons. And the constant temperature design can reach the set temperature quickly and keep it for a long time, which greatly reduces the waiting time for warming up again, and improves the production efficiency. Adjustable design, shared heat press machine temperature, 0 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature error, plus or minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and time, 0 to 999 second, can be easily and quickly set according to different usage scenarios with the buttons below the LCD screen. In addition, the distance between the heating plates, 0 to 1.96 inches, can be adjusted by the lift handle. Excellent design. The Rosin press machine LCD display shows the temperature and time in different colors, which is easy to read and easy to distinguish. In addition, a warning tone sounds when the timer runs out, so you can do other things without worrying. Easy to carry. The portable heat press measures 11.81 x 5.31 x 19.29 inches and weighs 39.35 pounds. In addition, it has a portable plastic handle on the top, making it easy for you to take it with you when you are out working. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.